Hey, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to another Stock Kings YouTube video. And today we will be discussing Clover Health, ticker symbol CLOV. Now, Clover Health has gotten a lot of buzz recently for being a possible short squeeze, and we have seen run-ups of 20% of the stock based around this buzz, guys. So this is a very real possibility that this could be the next short squeeze, just like we saw in GME as well as AMC. So I will be giving you all of my opinions and thoughts on this being a short squeeze, so get ready for that. Also, we will be going over some technical analysis on this stock to help you guys better manage your trades if this does decide to massively run up like GME and AMC. So if you have any interest in Clover Health and short squeezes, you are definitely going to want to stick around and hear more about that. But before we get into any of that information, if you guys enjoy this content, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out new videos, and I have my new Discord server linked down below. And that is a community all about stocks, trading, and investing. So if you enjoy any of those things, please go ahead and join that community down below. I also have my Webull linked down below, where if you sign up, put in $100, you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600, guys. And I get some free stocks as well. So if you want to help out support this channel, as well as get some free money for yourselves, go ahead and use my Webull link down below. But with all that being said, let's get right into this video. Okay, guys, we are here on the daily chart for Clove on TradingView, and I just want to take a look at some recent price action to show you guys how volatile this stock has been to the upside. Now, as you can see here, we've been trading around this range from about $7.18 to around $9. We've been kind of bouncing back and forth in this range, and then as of recently, we've gotten some massive run-ups coming all the way up to $9.29, and then earlier on the 16th of April, we came up all the way to $10, and then the next day we had a nice little run up to around $10.57, and then we came back down to reject off of the 50 EMA, coming back up, ending the day at around $9.67, and now today in the pre-market on Tuesday, we will be looking to enter or begin the day at $9.45, which is a little bit lower than what we ended the day yesterday. But these massive gains that we've been getting, if you would have got in yesterday at the beginning of the day at around 7:34 and got out at the peak, obviously can't do that all the time, but you would have gotten around a 45% gain, guys. So there is a lot of money to be made on this stock, and I just want to make sure you guys know that this stock is swinging massively. There is a lot of momentum with this stock, so be very careful when you're trading this stock and use stop losses, please, just in case this stock does decide to run down massively. You are not taken out at a complete loss, so please just be very, very careful when trading Clover Health. And I just want you guys to know that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so please trade based off your own opinions, guys, and do your own due diligence on these trades. But with all of that, let's get right into this short interest and what we can see with that regarding this possible short squeeze. So if we come over here, we can see that their short volume ratio is 35%. And what we say a lot on this channel is that anything for the short volume ratio above 20% is unusually high. So this 35% is definitely over that 20% that would be considered unusually high. So this would mean that this short volume ratio is definitely a possible short squeeze situation. However, that is just speculation, and this is never guaranteed. But if we continue down here a little bit further, we can see that this short volume ratio has been tracking very, very highly, all above 20% for the last couple of days. We've seen as high as 38%, and we mostly have been getting high 20s to mid to low 30s. So this short volume has been high for some time. And this is mostly because of the Hindenburg short report that came out on Clove. And then once a lot of the Redditors, the people on Twitter, have gotten a hold of that, that is what sent this stock to the next level, because people were discussing, short squeezes, and this is where the buzz for this really began. And this is where we are now taking this from this being massively shorted to a possible short squeeze from these Redditors, just like they did with GameStop and just like they did with AMC. Now, in regards to all of the buzz that this stock has been getting, I want to show you some more data in regards to that. So coming over here, we can see that this volume for Clover is around 20 million shares traded, guys. So this is one of the most popular stocks traded on the market, guys. Looking at brokerages such as Robinhood and Webull, this stock is only traded behind Sundial. This is the second highest traded stock on those brokerages, so this is gaining a lot of popularity, and is also the fourth most talked about stock on the Wall Street Bets forum. So this is just behind Tesla and the stocks that are talked about on the Wall Street Bets forum, and it's also massively talked about on Twitter. This stock is gaining a lot of popularity. And with this popularity and high short interest comes the real possibility that this stock could be a short squeeze situation. There is very close similarities to what we saw on GME and AMC, in that they were both massively talked about on the Wall Street Bets Reddit forum, and they had very high short volume interests. So the similarities are there, and it will be important for us to keep an eye on this and see where it goes. Now, there's also something that I wanted to show you guys in regards to all of these Redditors and people on Twitter catching this stock. So if we come over here, we can see Clover Health joins top Wall Street Bets stocks. What's going on? Scrolling down here a little bit further, we can see that Clove has popped up on the list of top trending stocks on Wall Street Bets, the Reddit forum that conducted a short squeeze in shares of GameStop, GME, earlier in the year. What happened? Shares of the Chamath-backed health technology company closed 20% higher at $8.82 on Friday and rose another 2.38% in the after hours, trading to $9.03. At press time around midnight Monday, Clover was trending on the Reddit forum at the number 4 spot, just behind Tesla. Now, we talked about this a little bit earlier. It also says in the list of Wall Street Bets trending tickers as compiled by SwaggyStocks.com. So this is also discussing the popularity of Clove and how much we have seen an increase in share price because of all of this buzz from Wall Street Bets. Then all this buzz and this increase in the share price shows us hints that this could possibly be a real short squeeze situation. And from all this popularity on the Wall Street Bets Reddit forum, this is also where the short squeeze from GME as well as AMC came from. So it's a very similar situation to what we were seeing back then. It's the same situation that we're seeing now with Clove. But now if we do scroll down here a little bit further, we can see why it matters. So Clove attracted a short interest of 35.7%. Now ours was a little bit different at around 30%. However, we do not know exactly when they were getting that number and from where. However, I do like to see that, you know, a difference between 30% and 35% is not that big. So it's not a big enough difference for us to, you know, make any changes to our decision making. According to highshortinterest.com, a sorted database of stocks that have a short interest over 20%. And like we said earlier in the video, anything over 20% is unusually high. It also continues on saying, in January this year, highly shorted stocks of GameStop, along with American Entertainment Holdings, AMC, and Nokia, and others surged, and saw surging activity on Wall Street Bets. Clover could similarly see a big short squeeze, according to some. So this also agrees with my opinion that this could be a short squeeze coming and in the making. With these high short interest rates, and they are well above the 20% that we look for, as well as this buzz that we're getting from, you know, the Wall Street Bets Reddit forum, along with Twitter and these other brokerages like Robinhood and Webull, there's a lot of buzz along with high short interest. So this is definitely a real possibility for a short squeeze situation, guys. Okay, let's head back over to the chart on TradingView for Clove, and let's head over to see some key areas of support and resistance. So the first key area of support that I would like to draw out is our floor here at around $7.18. We've tested this multiple times and we're not able to reject it, so this has been a strong support for us in the past. The next area of support that I would like to draw out is right around here, at $8.99 or $9. We've used this as a resistance in the past. However, we did cross above this area here 2 days ago, and now we will be using it as a support. And we did in this area use the 50 EMA as a support, so we also have this $9 support in this area as well. Now, the area of resistance that we'll be looking at is right around here at $10.37. So we've used this as a resistance in the past multiple times. We were able to wick above this a little bit, but not very, very high. So this is our area of resistance that we'll be looking to come up to with this stock. We will then be looking to break above the 200 EMA, which is in the past known to be a very strong area of resistance or support, the 200 EMA. So that will be our next area of resistance at around $10.97. Something else I would like to point out to you guys is that our RSI is heading into overbought territory. However, if this is a short squeeze situation, that will not matter too much, just because of all the volatility will be pushing us higher and higher and break us all into new highs that we have not seen on Clove before. But that is all the information that I had for you guys today on Clover Health, ticker symbol CLOV. If you enjoyed this video and you found some value in it, go ahead and drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out with new videos. And again, I have my Discord along with my Webull linked down below if you have any interest in either of those. But as always, guys, I hope you have an excellent day, get some gains in the market, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.